Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to pick up some stuff for the 6.0. So, the other day, I ordered a powder coat. Powder coat's here for the thing that I ordered earlier today. Ordered a lift earlier today, little 3-inch lift. So it should be on the way here very soon. So we got powder coat, we got lift. I want to powder coat a little test piece. That might be in another video coming up here pretty soon. And then if I like the test piece, we're going to go and get paint match to that powder coat, hopefully. And we can finish up our headlights. I want to get suede ordered for the headliner and the glue for that. Get that done. I'm in a kick here. I want to get stuff done on the red truck. But I gotta find my rock lights, because I want to do those too. I want to paint the frame while it's all tore down for the lift. And I was looking earlier on Facebook Marketplace, as I do time to time, and I found, well, I'll just tell you, it's a bed cover. So I sent the guy a message. We came up with a price on it. So we're trying to see, I'm trying to get him to meet today. If possible, he wants to tomorrow, which I get, but if I can just drive to him and get it today, I'd rather just have it today. So we're gonna see what we can figure out today, but if nothing else, we'll go do it tomorrow. Pick it up and maybe even get it installed on the truck. If it's not raining, it's sprinkling right now, so hopefully it won't be raining tomorrow. But anyway, figured I would intro this video. I'll go ahead and get that done. But I guess we'll see what he comes up with, and we'll go from there. But in the meanwhile, just know, guys, I got a bunch of stuff planned for the 6.0. I want to make that thing nice. So again, y'all stay tuned. Got stuff coming. We got stuff at the house. Some stuff I'll have to find at the house, but I got a lot planned for the next, month or two of videos. Also, I got new hubs for the truck. We got one installed. That video, I've already started making it. We just need to get this one installed. If nothing else, we'll probably do this one when we start doing the lift. So anyway, just figured I would mention that. Y'all stay tuned. Got a bunch of stuff coming for y'all with the 6.0. I know there hasn't been a lot of 6.0 videos lately. It's been a lot of house videos. So we're trying to get the living room done before the furniture comes in. I've mentioned that several times, I think. But anyway, I guess, like I said, we'll see what the guy comes up with, and we'll go from there. All right, guys. So we're now in Searcy. I did pick up that bed cover. So we're going to get back home. If it's not raining, we might even try to install it. I don't know if we're going to have time to or not, but we're going to try to get it installed today. So I guess we'll just see. He's discovered that his newly rotated tires are scooped on the back. Need to get alignment on this thing. But anyway, like I said, hopefully we'll have time. We can get that on today. He's got all the clamps and stuff. Everything's there. We just need to put it together and put it on. All right, guys. So we're now back here at the house. Got the bed cover here. Got it laid out in their appropriate sides. Now, on these, one way to tell if you bought a second-hand cover like I did is these are the tensioners for the cover itself. These will go to the back of the truck. Velcro slant will be slanted to the outside. And then up here you have these little notches that the cover sits in. Right here. You take a Phillips, tighten that down, and that will secure the cover itself to the rails. And then you have your clamps, 10 mil on these. Now it looks like you would need 2, but if this is all the way down, it holds itself. So we should be good there. So all you should need is a 10 mil ratchet or a wrench, whatever you're going to use, and a Phillips for this, and that should be it. I do know I watched a couple videos on these while we were out and about, and you will want your rail flush with the side right here. Then you can get those clamped down, and then we'll have to figure out spacing. But luckily for me, this guy that had these had them on his truck, so you can kind of see the witness marks right there. So we can move these down until that lines up, and we should be good to go right there. We will double check this before this is completely tightened, but I believe that's where we'll need to be as far as our spacing from front to rear. But again, we will double check just to make sure. I wish I had some of these caps to go in here, but I don't. I'll have to get some of those ordered, get those coming. But we can always loosen these, pop this up a little bit, slide those in there, no big deal. Okay guys, phone's been charging, but we got the cover put in place, rolled it out, shut the tailgate, make sure it was straight. Pretty happy with it, where it's at. So you can see how we lined this one up. Now my bed does have that little bow in the middle, and we need to get some weather stripping to put in there, but you can see our spacing here, and then those little screws for this are right there. So you'll have to roll this all the way up, and it helps to have somebody hold it up and one person tighten the screws. But figured I would show y'all this. This is why I wanted a roll-up cover, is because you can move these straps out of the way and I can still open my toolbox. So with this being a undermount box, it's out of the way, so we'll be good to go there. But also one thing that is nice with this one is you have to open the tailgate to be able to open the cover, and I'll show you all that after we get it all done. So it actually latches, whereas that cover just has little spring latches. So this should be a little more secure, other than that being a hard cover. But anyway, like I said, we'll get these all tightened down and go back around and check them, and I'll show y'all the finished product. All right guys, so here it is, all finished. You can see it's pretty straight. You might could use a little adjustment, but not too worried about it. I need to get some of these stake pocket covers. And if you look, there's a gap here on this tailgate, but you can pick the tailgate up. So not too worried about that. That little rotator cup is missing. So if you were to grab the tailgate, so I'm looking at a 2011 plus tailgate. The one that's got, they got square handles. They have a body line that runs down around under the tailgate handle, and have one underneath, and they have the big emblem. So looking at getting one of those. So I'm not too worried about that little cup. But up under here you can see that daylight I was talking about. Gonna have to go get some weather stripping for that. Not a big deal, not too worried about it. But one thing you will notice about this cover, you can't open it. There's pull latch here, and there's a pull latch right there. All you gotta do is pull it, push up, and then you can roll it up. So I'm not gonna unroll it because we done pulled it over, velcroed everything down, but latch it just like so, and you're good to go. So there it is. This is a Tyger brand cover. And another thing is when you unroll it, it'll kind of sag, like you can see. You can just lift these up, pull it over, lock it back down, and you're good to go. So it's pretty simple. And again, I wanted a soft cover on this truck, a roll up, because on that truck, when you flip the cover up, you lose a third of your bed. And with the toolbox, I didn't want to lose that. So anyway, I guess that's about it. So got a pretty good deal on this thing, 80 bucks. Had to go about an hour each way to get it. Not bad. I think these are like 250, 300 bucks, something like that. So pretty good deal. The guy said he had it on his truck for 5 months, and he took it off to put a headache rack and a above mount toolbox. So he didn't need it anymore. But anyway, I'm gonna start this thing up. I'm about to go eat. But I got a bunch of stuff I want to do to this truck. Like I mentioned, I want to do something different with the mirrors. I want to do something different with these handles, the bumper, the grill, building the headlights. I'm gonna leave some chrome. Kind of want to do platinum handles here. Paint the bezels with the platinum pull handle, chrome cap on the mirrors, and full paint match, and some other stuff. But anyway, guys, there it is. So I will keep y'all updated on the cover itself. But anyway, guys, like I said, that's going to be a wrap for today's video. Anyway, guys, sorry about that. I was talking to my grandpa about some stuff. But anyway, it's getting kind of cold here in the middle of April. It's kind of weird, but anyway, like I said, I think I was saying, I will keep y'all updated on this cover. I'll do some review videos and stuff. But anyway, I guess that's gonna be a wrap. So you can see it back here, back there in the mirror. Also, one other thing that'll be pretty nice is I won't have to worry about my toolbox coming open anymore. With this truck and that toolbox doesn't latch. So every time I get on the interstate, the wind circulating through the truck bed blows my toolbox lid open. So again, I will keep y'all updated on that. But anyway, guys, that is going to be a wrap for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, please drop a like and comment down below. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope everybody has a good day.